What's up guys, thanks for checking out this brand new guitar tutorial. In this lesson we're going to be looking at how you play Feelings by Lauv on the acoustic guitar. Before you do anything, make sure that you're subscribed to this YouTube channel, and if you find this video useful, please give us a thumbs up and comment below. I answer any comments or questions that you may have. Right, so in order to play this song, I've made it as beginner friendly as possible. You will need a capo on the 7th fret of the neck, so that's a capo across the 7th bar and the whole 7th fret there. And you're going to need to know a couple of positions, and we'll go through those in a second. There's different ways of playing this. You can play it with your fingers, but I'm actually playing it with a plectrum. So if you have a plectrum handy, use your plectrum. If not, then use your fingers, and I'll show you how to do that a little bit later on. So let's have a look at this first chord, which is a D major shape. So we're going to play it with our first finger 2 frets up from the capo. So it's actually on the 9th fret. That's our first finger on the first string of the 9th fret. And then our second finger is going to be on the 2nd string of the 10th fret. And you're going to strum those 2 strings together, 1 and 2 together. Or you can pluck them. So we've got, and then you're going to do exactly the same, but you're going to take your first finger off, and you're going to have that E string, that first string, ring out. You're going to pluck those 2 strings together again, 1 and 2. And then what you're going to do, you're going to put your pinky finger on the first string of the 12th fret. And again, you're going to strum string 1 and 2 together. So we should have this. And that's repeated twice, so it goes. And then the next note you need to add on is you're going to take your first finger off, and you're going to put it on the 3rd string of the 9th fret. And you're going to strum from string number 3 down. So that's the G string, the B string, and the E string. 3, 2, 1. You're going to strum it twice. So we've got this so far. And then it's a really subtle transition into that A major. And you're going to move your 2nd finger back from the 10th fret to the 9th fret. Play it twice, so you're going to strum the 3 strings there. So we've got this. Now if you're playing this alongside somebody singing, you don't want to keep the same pattern going all the way through. So you notice on the production, that actual riff gets muffled, it gets filtered. So you can actually palm mute it if you want to make it, to add some dynamics. So you could do... and open up that palm. And also what you can do, you can add a bit more movement in your wrist, in your right hand, so you can have a bit more. So you see what I'm doing now, I'm adding a bit more movement in the wrist, I'm adding some dynamics, so I'm muffling and bringing it up, and then maybe for the verse section you bring it back down again. So that is a really, really simple riff. As I say, you've got your capo across the 7th. If you haven't got a capo, there are other ways of playing this. There's plenty of tutorials that you can look at that that show you how to play it without the capo. But in terms of making it as beginner friendly as possible, get a capo and stick it across the 7th fret. Thank you for watching the video. If you found it useful, please subscribe, and if you have any comments, questions, please use the comments box below. I shall see you again very soon. Bye bye.